Hello students, we are discussing exercise 11.3. Today we will discuss question number 7 to question number 10. Question number 7. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure which is semicircle including its diameter. Here we can see that this is a figure of semicircle. Diameter is given, that is 10 centimeter, and we have to find the perimeter of this figure. That means the length of this figure from this point through this diameter up to this point, that is perimeter of this semicircle we have to find. So here what is given, the diameter is given, that is 10 centimeter. And therefore what will be our radius, that is diameter divided by 2, that is equal to 10 divided by 2, and that is equal to 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, so that's why 5 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter of given figure, and that is equal to, now keep in mind this is a semicircle, that means half of a circle. So what will be the perimeter of this half of a circle? That will be nothing but half of a circumference of a circle, that is nothing but pi r. Circumference of a circle, it is 2 pi r. So half of a circumference of a circle, that is pi r, and including here in this figure this diameter is also included, so we have to include this also in this perimeter of this figure, that is nothing but pi r plus d. So that is equal to pi. We have to take the value of pi. Here it is not given, so we can take anything, that means anyone from 22 by 7 or 3.14. So here we will take 22 by 7 multiply by r, which we have found, that is 5, plus d it is 10. So here we will solve this sum. 22 multiplied by 5, that is 110, divided by 7 plus 10. So here we will do the division. 110 divided by 7, 7 ones are 7, 11 minus 7, that is 4, 0 will come, 7 5s are 35, 5, here we have put the 0, so here we have to put decimal point. 7 7s are 49, here 1, 0, 7 ones are 7, 30. So I think this division will go on and on, so we will write the answer in this 2 decimal places, that is 15.71. 15.71, 110 divided by 7 and plus 10. 15.71 plus 10, that is equal to 25.71, and this is a perimeter of the given adjoining figure which we have found, and it is in centimeter. So perimeter of this semicircle with its diameter is 25.71 centimeter. Next, question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. So here we have to find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop. Circular tabletop means a circle shape. Here diameter is given 1.6 meter, and we have to find cost of polishing. We have to do a polishing on the circular tabletop. Which part we will polish, that means this part, and this part is nothing but area of this circle. So we will find the area of this circular tabletop. Here diameter is given 1.6 meter, so we will find radius, that is equal to d divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2, diameter is given 1.6 divided by 2. Here always what we do, we are doing converting this decimal number into whole number, and then we are doing division. But here we will do directly this division, that is 1.6 divided by 2. 1 cannot be divided by 2, but 16 can be divided by 2, but before the 6 there is a decimal point, so here we have to put decimal point. 2 8s are 16. So what is the answer? 1.6 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.8, and unit is meter. So radius is 0.8 meter. Now area of circular tabletop, and that is equal to pi r square. Here keep in mind we have to take value of pi, that is 3.14. 3.14 multiplied by r square, that is 0.8 square, that is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 0.8 multiplied by 0.8. We will do this multiplication. 8 8s are 64, we know that, but it is 0.8, so 1 dp, and 0.8 1 dp. 1 plus 1 2 dp, so answer will come in 2 decimal places, that is 0.64. So 3.14 multiplied by 0.64. Now we will do this multiplication. 314 multiplied by 64. 4 4s are 16. 1 1 4s are 4 plus 1 5. 3 4s are 12. Here 0. 4 6 are 24. Here 2 will come. 1 6 are 6 plus 2 8. 3 6 are 18. 6 9 10. 1 plus 2 10 2. So our answer is 20096. But here 3.14 there, so 2 dp. Here 0.64 there, so 2 dp. 2 plus 2 4 dp. So answer will come in 4 decimal places. 1 2 3 4 before 0 decimal point will come. So our answer is 2.0096 meter square. So area of circular tabletop is 2.0096 meter square. Now we will find the rate. Here cost we have to find, and rate is given, so that is cost of polishing circular tabletop, that is equal to rate multiplied by area of a circular tabletop. Rate is given, that is 15 multiplied by area, which we have found 2.0096, and answer will come in rupees. So here we will do this multiplication. 20096 multiplied by 15. 6 5s are 30. 9 5s are 45 plus 3 48. 0 5s are 0. 0 plus 4 4. 0 5s are 0. 2 5s are 10. Then here 0. 6 1s are 6 9 0 0 2. 0 plus 0 0. 8 plus 6 14. Here 1 1 plus 4 5 plus 9 14. Here 1 1 0 3. So what is answer? But before that, here how many decimal places are there? 1 2 3 4. So total 4 decimal places are there. Here 0 dp. 4 plus 0, 4 decimal places, that is 1 2 3 4. So before 1 decimal point will come. So our answer is rupees 30.1440. So cost of polishing circular tabletop is rupees 30.1440. Next question number 9. Sajli took a wire of length 44 cm and bent it into the shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle, also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? So here Sajli took a wire of length 44 cm and bent it into the circle. That means the length of the wire and circumference of the circle are same. That is, circumference of the circle is what? 44 cm. Therefore, what is the formula for circumference of the circle? That is equal to 2 pi r, that is equal to 44. We have to take value of pi, that is 22 by 7, 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r, which we have to find, that is equal to 44. 22 2s are 44 divided by 7 multiplied by r, that is equal to 44. We have to find r, so we will remove this 44 by 7 and we will take it into the right hand side. So what will happen? Numerator and denominator interchange, that is 7 divided by 44. 44 cancel, therefore radius is equal to 7 and unit is centimeter. So we found the radius, now we will find the area. Area of circle, that is equal to pi r square. We have to take value of pi, that is 22 divided by 7, and r we have found, that is 7, so 7 square, that is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. This 7 and this 7 cut, so what remain? 22 7, 22 7s are 154 centimeter square. So we found the area of circle, that is 154 centimeter square. Now that same wire bent into the square. Now keep in mind that length of the wire doesn't change. That same wire was used, so therefore the circumference of the circle, that is 44 centimeter, is same as square. So length of the wire is 44 centimeter, therefore perimeter of the square is 44 centimeter. Therefore centimeter. From this we can find the length of its sides. So here perimeter of square, what is it? Formula 4 multiplied by side, and that is equal to 44, and therefore side is equal to 44 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 11 4s are 44, and therefore length of side of square, what is it? 11 centimeter. Okay, now we will find area of square. That is equal to what? Side square. We found the length of side, that is 11 centimeter. So 11 square. 11 square 121. 121. And what is the unit? That is centimeter. So area of square, that is 121 centimeter square. So here we have found the area of circle and area of square. Area of circle is 154 centimeter square and area of square is 121 centimeter square. So which shape has more area? That is circle, and therefore we will write, therefore circle encloses more area. Next question number 10. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 cm, two circles of radius 3.5 cm and a rectangle of length 3 cm and breadth 1 cm are removed. As shown in the figure. Figure is given. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Now here the circular card sheet is there having a radius 14 cm. From the circular card sheet, two circles and one rectangle removed. And we have to find the area of the remaining sheet. So what we will do, first of all, we will understand the question. Here circular card sheet is there and these two circles and rectangles are removed. That means area of the circular card sheet is equal, area of the remaining part of circular card sheet is nothing but area of the circular card sheet minus area of this two circle and a rectangle. So same way we will do. First of all, we will find the area of circular card sheet. So here we will write for circular card sheet, radius is given 14 centimeter, and therefore area of that is equal to pi r square, that is equal to, we have to take value of pi, that is 22 divided by 7 multiplied by r, it is given 14 square. 22 by 7 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 14 twos are 28 multiplied by 22. 28 multiplied by 22, 8 twos are 16, 2 twos are 4 plus 5, 0, 6, 5, 6, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 plus 5, 6. So answer is 616. And area of circular card sheet is what? 616 centimeter square. Now for two circles, 4 removed circles, radius is given 3.5 centimeter. So therefore area of circles. Now here two circles are there, so area of circles, area of two circles we have to write. Area of two circles, that is equal to 2 multiplied by pi r square. We have to find area of two circle, and two circles are same radius, and therefore we will multiply it by 2. So we will find the area of two circle together. So 2 multiplied by pi 22 divided by 7 multiplied by r, which is given 3.5, and r square, therefore 3.5 square, and that is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. Here 3.5 there, so we will convert it into whole number. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 35 by 10 multiplied by 35 by 10. Here we will do simplification. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. These two and these two cut. 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. So what remained? 11 and 7. So that is equal to 11 multiplied by 7, and that is equal to 77. So area of two circles is 77 centimeter square. Next we will find area of rectangles. So here we will write for removed rectangle. Length is given, length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter, and therefore area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is 3 multiplied by breadth, that is 1, bracket close, and unit will be centimeter square. 3 ones are 3, so 3 centimeter square is the area of rectangle. Therefore area of remaining part of sheet, that is equal to area of circular sheet minus area of two circles plus area of rectangle. Area of circular sheet we have found area, that is 616 centimeter square, minus area of two circles we have found, that is 77 centimeter square, plus area of rectangle, which is 3 centimeter square, and that is equal to 616 minus 77 plus 3. 616 minus 77 plus 3, 80. That is 616 minus 80, that is 616 minus 80, 6 minus 0, 6, 11, 5, 11 minus 8, 3, and this is 5. So 536. So that is equal to 536 centimeter square. So area of remaining part of sheet is 536 centimeter square.